Simone, and welcome back for another video. If you're returning, hey friend, and if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. And now we're besties, like, period. So today we're going to be talking about my skin. Yeah, 2020 had my skin all the way messed up, okay? I still do have some discoloration. I need to, fade this, but it came a long way. Like, let me insert these photos on how my face used to look. It was going through it, like, and I usually always have clear skin, so for my skin to be how severe that was, or severe for me, that was major. So I was using different products. I feel like what really made my skin bug out was, one, wearing the mask, something constantly touching my face. Second, it was me just being really rough with my face. I was using like washcloths to wash my face and it wasn't working. I was using the wrong skin products. I was using new skin products all at one time, like 3 different new skin products, and my skin was freaking out. Like I was just doing way too much. So then I was like, I was kind of on my last straw. I was spending a lot of money going to the dermatologist, and I was like, you know what? Let me just try Curology, and yeah, it did it. I was very skeptical, so I was like, you know what? If it makes my skin worse, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might have to start getting chemical peels or something. I don't know. I was about to drop some money to fix my skin, but I got this. So the whole process was that you get sent a free trial. The free trial is $4.95. They basically give you travel sizes of everything. So this is the full size. This is the cleanser, the moisturizer, and then I have the medication that's specialized just for me. So shipping was very quick. I ordered the Curology February 20th of this year. I've been using it for about 4 months now. I ordered it on February 20th and it came February 24th, I believe. And I used it and I didn't see much of a difference, but I did realize that my pimples were getting a little flatter, and I noticed I wasn't getting any new pimples. So I was like, you know what, let me just start doing like the regular one. So the trial was $4.95, but the regular one is $59.90, so it's about $60, and this is supposed to last you 2 months. So they send you your bottles every 2 months. I use the face wash in the morning and at night, and I use the moisturizer in the morning and at night. The face wash, everyone gets this one. The moisturizer, you can either get the gel moisturizer or the rich moisturizing one. The rich one is for people with dry skin, and the other one is for people with oily skin. And then yeah, you just get your own formula. So I have acylic acid 4%, clindamycin 1%, and niacinamide. So my routine is in the morning, I use the cleanser. I follow up with, you only need like a dime size of each of both of these. And I actually put it with the Black Girl sunscreen. This sunscreen is really good. It gives you a really pretty glow. I might do a separate review on this by itself, but I use that in the morning, and then at night, I use a moisturizer, I use the medication, and then I follow with the moisturizer. So like I said before, it is about $60. And it's supposed to last you for 2 months, and it does not last me for that long. Even the travel size is supposed to last you a month or 30 days, and it only lasts me just about like 3 weeks. And then even this only lasts me about a month, like probably like a month and like 2.5 weeks, almost like 3 weeks. So like it doesn't do the full amount. If these were a little bit bigger, it definitely would be a full 2 month supply, but it doesn't last that much. So I noticed I have to buy it before like the 2 month mark, buy it again before the 2 month mark. So I mean, it is a little pricey, but I was just thinking about it, I'm investing in my skin, so, and it worked for me. But this is definitely not gonna be like a long-term thing for me. I'm gonna eventually transition to like a regular skincare company. I'm going more towards like Vanish cream, so we'll see how that works out for me. But I'm really happy with what I have so far. I'm gonna use it probably for about like another like 4 months or so. It definitely works. Like, so if you're considering it and you have the funds and you just want to try it, like have the free trials, only $4, $4.95, definitely go ahead and try it. My skin is looking pretty good. I do still have to, you know, fade a little bit, but I'm sure with all of these three, is 4 months from now, my skin's gonna be popping, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's all I have right now for Curology. If you have any questions and something I forgot to answer, let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have for you guys. So stay tuned for another video and I'll see you soon. Bye.